Every figure you meet in dream is merely a projection of your mind. Some are emissaries, messengers of a subtle order. They come cloaked, shifting, so you will not mistake them for the faces of your daily life. You will know them by the precision of their arrival. They step in at the moment your resistance softens, or your despair crests, or your question ripens into a shape that can be answered. The assembly is not a council in the way of governments. It is a convergence, a temporary constellation of intelligences that gather for the work of transmission. Sometimes they appear as animals, a white stag turning its antlers toward the east, a fox sleeping between shadows, a raven dropping a stone into still water. Sometimes they wear human form, but their eyes carry too many centuries to be contained in flesh. And sometimes they are nothing more than a presence in the room, a weight on the bed, a fragrance of pine or smoke where none should be. The assembly does not force meaning on you. They offer fragments, an image, a phrase, a rhythm of breath, and leave you the dignity of weaving. For the dreamer must participate. Interpretation is not a puzzle to solve, but a bridge you build between their world and yours. When you remember them, you remember yourself, the deeper self that agreed before incarnation to remain reachable. Dreams are the contract kept. And when you begin to recognize them, not as random dream actors, but as recurring presences, arriving in different guises, then you begin to assemble too. You take your place among them. Because every dream messenger you meet is also teaching you how to become one.